I'm Navyashri from CSE department. In this video, I'm going to explain my project titled Virtual Brain Twin for Personalized Treatment of Psychiatric Disorders. I'll show the idea, the architecture, code and output by running the project. In simple words, my project is like creating a virtual copy of human brain using code. Instead of using real patient brain data, I generate synthetic brain related data using Python. Then I use basic machine learning to learn patterns from this data and visualize the results using graphs. This is a simplified version of virtual brain twin. In real life, such a system can help doctors understand a patient's condition and choose better personalized treatment of psychiatric disorders. And let me show the architecture diagram. This is the architecture diagram. First we have a synthetic data generator. Here I generate artificial brain related data like activity values or scores using Python. Next we do processing. This means cleaning the data and getting it ready for machine learning. Then we have the machine learning model block. The model learns patterns from the synthetic brain data. After that we have a prediction and analysis block. Here the model gives outputs like how the brain patterns looks or how two brains compare. Finally, we have visualization. I use graphs to show the results. For example, how brain activity changes or how two conditions differ. All these blocks together form a basic virtual brain twin pipeline. And let me show the code. This is the main program of the code. And for this file, this is like controller of starting point of the project. Here I import the other modules, call the functions to generate data, train the model, and finally call the functions to display the graphs and results. So whenever I want to run the full project, I execute this. Then let me show the brain model.py. This is the digital brain model. Here I define how the synthetic brain data is created and how the machine learning model is set up. For example, I may generate random values to simulate brain activity and use a model like classifier or regression. The idea is to treat this as an artificial brain, so we call it as a virtual brain model. And this is visual.py code. We automatically generate the report, and this is comparison graphs. It looks like this is the output. This compare brains code gives the comparison between two brains. This is a healthy brain and this is a psychiatric brain. So I ran the output by giving the command python main.py. So I got the output like this is the brain activity graph. It gives the graph of the values. This is the simulated brain activity, and this is the psychiatric brain. As I said before, it gives the comparison between two brains, and this is the brain model, and this is the 3D neural connectivity of the brain. And let me show the GitHub repository I have created. This is the GitHub repository I have created. Here you can see all the project files, the main script, the brain model file, visualization file, and other supporting modules. This makes the project easy to share and maintain. So that's all. Thank you.